Hello guys, and welcome to my 25th video tutorial on PHP. And in this video I'm going to show you how to update whatever value you have on your database. Okay, so remember we had the values that we had that was sent from the form on our test site was name, email, and password, right? So I'm going to show you how to edit all those values without going directly and change it in the MySQL database in PHP MyAdmin. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do that with PHP code and from your website. Okay, so I was making the PHP script. Okay, and I run out of time, and I don't want to delete all the script and have to type this again. Okay, so I already made my script here. So what I want you to do is to open a new file, update, call it update.php, and copy all that code that I have here. Okay, because I was making the video and I ran out of time, and now I have to make the video again. Okay, the video that I made before was too large, and now I have to make the video again, and I don't want to delete this script and make it all from scratch. Okay guys, so just copy this. I'm gonna show you line by line what it means. Okay, so I already saw here a little error, which is this one here, select. So this script, what is this script? This script update is the script that we, if we go to our home localhost /test site /home.php and we click in edit user, okay, you see here below here, this is where, if I click, this is where the code will run, okay, or the page will basically go and process that script, which is in that file, and the file is update.php. You see below here. If I go to register, the script that will run is form.php. Okay, so if I click here now, it gives me some error, and so my code is not correctly done. Okay, but I'm going to show you that it will run perfectly later on. Okay, after you finish this. So just copy this and start. You type MySQL, another error here, MySQL connect. Of course, localhost is our it's our server. Root is the name of the user in the server. By default, this is the values of XAMPP. Okay, so you are using, if you are using XAMPP, as I am, you can type these values. And here is the password. We don't have one, so just leave that in blank or die, which means if any problem occurs to the connection or the connection can't be executed, just show this to you, to the user, problem with connection, or if you want to change to something else, you can change that. Okay, and don't forget semicolon at the end. Now the other line, MySQL connect, MySQL select database, the name of the database, which is test site. Now variable result that will have will hold this line of code here, which is a MySQL query where it will select the values from users, from table users. Okay, now let's go to the next line, which is echo, and this is something that you never saw before in my video tutorials. This is basically HTML code embedded in PHP. Okay, and to do that we type single or double quotes. Okay, and you see that this is a table with a width. Okay, so you have to type everything exactly as I have here. Okay, you can pause the video now, okay? Just pause it now and copy this exactly as I have here, okay? These two echoes. So I want you to be pay very attention to this, because you can mess this up, okay? So the next line is while, and we have here another syntax, which is a variable that will hold the fetch array, and here is the result, which is the MySQL query, okay? This is a syntax that will make possible to identify all your fields in the table. And now we have more variables that will hold more values. This will hold the ID field, the name, the email, and the password, okay? And now you can copy this echo as well with some more HTML in it, okay? So you can pause it and copy this, okay? Okay, and close here the curly braces and echo table, the close table tag, okay? So my column, and at the end, MySQL close. Okay, so what this does, this script, is basically, we will see the result, is this. We click here, edit user, oops, MySQL connect, line 4. Okay, we have an error, MySQL connect, line 4. The error, what is it? Okay guys, I found some errors in the code. So here, instead of email, you have to type row, okay? And here also, and the password is row as well. Okay, so let's save that. Now let's go to edit user, and here it is, perfect, okay? We have a table with ID, the name, the names, emails, and passwords. Okay, perfect. So these numbers, ID, they are the IDs that we have in our PHP MyAdmin in my database. So I'm going to show you that. Localhost and PHP MyAdmin. And if you go there and go to the users, what is it? Test site. Let's go to users. And you see here that we have IDs, okay? These IDs are the numbers, unique numbers to identify the whatever user it's in your database, okay? And if this is 6, if I delete this, nobody else will use 6 again, okay? So these are every time a user comes as a new user to your website, they will have a unique ID, okay, numerical ID. So as you see, we have here 6 and 9 to Victor and Alex, and here it is, 6 and 9. So you see that it was worth it to make all that chunk of code, okay, here and here, because this cool table will make your website more presentable to the user, right? Okay, so now we have, if you pay attention, the IDs, either this 6 or 9, are links, okay? You see that they are underlined, and they are links that we can click. But if we click, nothing happens. So what I'm going to make is, whenever we click a link that belongs to a user, that link it will make you possible to edit all of each value that you have, that the user has, either name, email, or a password. Okay, and you can update whatever you want, either your email, password, or your name. Okay, by clicking here. So each click or each ID click for each user is what we will do. So we have to make now another script, okay, and create another file. That file, I'm going to call it, let's create a new file, and this file, I'm going to call this, let's create first the PHP tags, oops, PHP, and there it is, and let's save as, let's save this as update form.php. Okay, so it's a form, but it's a form to update the values of the user. So let's save that. Let's save, and here is where I'm going to type some other script. Okay, but I'm running out of time, guys, so I'm going to leave this script for the next video. So let me save that, update form, and I'm also going to change something in our test site, which is we now have with the update.php, we have the script to show a cool presentation of our database, or the values in our database. Okay, so we will not need this script here, which is the output. Okay, and the output, you remember that the output only is to see data. Okay, you see the difference between this presentation and this one. So it's very different. So let's delete this and delete also this link here. Okay, we don't need that. We only need this edit user, that we can change the values, and we also can see the values of the database. Okay, so to do that, just go to the code. Let's go to links here, and let's delete, where is it? Let's delete this. Let's save that. And I'm also going to change something here, which is in the links I'm going to type here center and H3, and here I'm going to type close center and H3. Save that, and now let's go to form and take this out. Save that. Here insert, let's leave that alone. Output. Okay, we will not need more the output file. Okay, so let's close that file, and let's go here, output, delete that. Okay, delete that file in your test site directory. So I think that's it. Let's open the browser again. Let's go to home, and that's it. Home, form, user, see home, register. Okay, cool. So see you guys in the next video, okay? And don't forget to subscribe, okay? See ya. Hi guys, just wanted to make a little update on the video, just for some of you that find it difficult to understand why do we have single quotes and slash or backslash here when we echo some HTML code. Okay, as you know, here we are doing an echo, and this is HTML, which is a table, and we have double quotes. Let's separate this. So in the first echo here, we have double quotes and double quotes at the end. Now, whenever you have HTML code, or whenever you want to echo out some HTML, and you have the need to put some double quotes again between the out double quotes, the ones that we have here at the beginning and at the end, you need, before the double quotes, you need to put the backslash here. Okay, now this is one way you can do it, but you can also put single quotes here. Okay, so instead of using backslash and before the double quotes, you can do it like this. Okay, so you have this these both ways of doing this. Okay, so this is just what I wanted to say to you. Okay, so now you know. If you do it like this, it will not work. And as you see in Notepad++, this already will give you an error because it's in colors. You have some colors here, orange. So you have to put either backslash and double quotes, or or single quotes. Okay, so that's basically it. Just try it yourself and see the errors you get. And that's all for now. Okay, see you in the next video.